How to add your location on your profile on the REDnote app. Whether you want to let people know where you're from or just make your profile stand out, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're in, just tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen to access your profile page. Once you get to your profile page, you'll have different buttons here. Just tap on the profile button right here to edit your profile info. And once you get to your edit profile page, all you have to do is scroll down until you find the location field. Just tap on it. And now just tap on locations. It will show you all of the available countries right here for you to choose from. And for the ones that have these arrows right besides the country, you can even choose the region from that country as well. So for example, if I tap on Malaysia, here are all of the regions from Malaysia and you can choose from it. Once you choose your location, don't forget to tap on the save button and then go back. Once you do that, your location will automatically be saved. And that's pretty much it. If you go back to your profile now, you will be able to see your location if you have turned on the display location. And that's pretty much it. Adding your location to the REDnote profile is super simple and can make your profile more engaging. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell icon for more REDnote tips and tricks. I'll see you guys on the next one.